Oh, shit.
Look who decided to show up.
Sorry, dudes. I overslept.
Hurry up, just sit down.
So, as you guys know, we've been having a little problem communicating lately.
No, we haven't.
You just texted me.
And in this box is a little something that we should have got a long time ago. And with the help of our friendship credit card, I went out and got it. Go ahead, open it.
Okay.
Okay, I'll open it. Walkie-talkies.
What?
You used the friendship credit card for this?
Thank me later, Cornto. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut. Come in, sauerkraut. Sauerkraut. Come in, please, sauerkraut. Sauerkraut, 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 sauerkraut.
What?
What you doing?
Nothing.
Okay. Cornto. Come in, Cornto. Cornto. Come in. Cornto. 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 Anand, what the fuck do you want? You seen Dirty Grandpa? I heard they're making a second one. I think Al Pacino's gonna be in it. Are you talking about Al Pacino? Yeah, him and Rob Church the hero. Yeah, the first one was pretty funny. There was one time, like, Rob Church was like, I want to... Are you hearing this shit, dude? He won't stop talking about Dirty Grandpa.
Dude, I know. What is he eating, like grapes or something?
I know. This is actually kind of fun.
Yeah. I really like talking to you. Want to meet up, like, tomorrow and see what these puppies can actually do?
Hell yeah.
Come in, Bravo Golf. There's a bogey on your left, over.
Good looking out, Delta Sierra. Incoming care package behind you. Over.
Thank you. Hey, dude. I just want to let you know I'm having a really good time.
Yeah, me too. This is awesome.
Yeah, we should do this again next week. Maybe... Oh my God! Ben! Oh my God, you're bleeding.
All I've ever wanted was to retire with my farm wife, Betsy, and my two beautiful daughters, Debbie and Jenny, on our farm. I cook them eggs every morning, scramble for Jenny. She hates sunny side up. They go and tend the cows and chickens.
You're gonna get to do that, buddy. We're gonna get you out of here. Your family's waiting for you. Dude, that was awesome.
Dude, you're so cool too, man.
Oh my God, that monologue was killer.
Dude, you nailed it though. Don't even act like you did.
Oh my God, dude.
Oh, shit.
Well.
What?
Well. You two been playing Gay Army?
No, it's very straight.
Tell it to your boners. I know you guys are on a different channel than me. I spent 2 hours last night talking to myself about the psychology of Neighbors 2.
It's because you're always talking and eating.
And you're always talking about those contemporary frat comedy movies.
And I hate my code name.
What are you talking about? Cornto is awesome.
It's not, it sucks ass. You know I wanted Black Mamba.
Whatever, I guess I'll just talkie with someone else. Oh, sweet Talkie, guide me to newfound friendship. This is the Magic Kid from Tracy, looking for a new friend. Over.
We're always looking for new additions.
Awesome.
Dude, it's been 15 minutes and Anand's still not here yet.
I know, this guy's never missed a meeting or anything.
Think something's wrong with him?
He just seemed kind of mad about the whole walkie-talkie situation yesterday.
Should we check up on him?
Oh, hello.
Dude, you weren't at the friend meeting today.
Oh, was hanging with my new friends.
What new friends, Anand?
Just like from the walkie-talkie network, they like cars and stuff, you know?
Shit. I like cars.
Yeah, you know, it's like a group of boys who go camping, gather on the fire, and burn books that they don't like.
Burn books? What type of books?
You know, like your standard books?
Like what?
Well, like the Torah, the Quran, Where the Wild Things Are.
Is this a cult?
I don't think it's a cult.
Sounds like a cult.
No, it's not a cult. Here, we'll ask them. Hey, fellas, I just want to ask you guys a quick question. Are we a cult?
Yeah, we're a cult.
Oh, shit.